Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in their comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. This is the model number 178274. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So jumping right into the dial configuration I currently have in my hand here is the white dial with Roman numerals. The Roman numerals are all fashioned 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. Same can be said about the hands, as we have solid white gold hands as well for the hour, minute, and seconds hand. The date window is located at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easier viewing of that date. Now, of course, this being a Datejust being a dress watch, there's numerous different configurations you can get this watch in for the dial. So if you're not really interested in the Roman numerals, you can also get it in the index hour markers, which are luminous stick markers, along with the hands being luminous as well. And you can get that in the silver, black, blue, or white. If you do like the Roman numerals and you're just looking for a different color, you're not too fond of the white, then you can get the Roman numeral dial with the same colors as the index, which was a silver, black, blue. If you're looking to be a little more luxurious, this isn't really popping much out for you. You want it to be a little more eye-catching. You can get it in the diamond hour markers, where the hour markers are diamonds fashioned in the 18 karat white gold in a square setting, and that can be in a black or silver dial. And of course, you can go all out and go with a mother of pearl diamond dial, where the dial is mother of pearl with the diamond hour markers, and you can get that in a pink dial, or pink, white, or dark mother of pearl. But besides that, the Datejust is a very simple watch. Similar dial structure overall on pretty much every Datejust watch. We have the crown logo at the 12 o'clock positions, the hour markers, date at the 3 o'clock, and of course the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath that crown. Okay, so moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is a very simple bezel. It's a fixed fluted white gold bezel. As you can see, the bezel does not move at all, but it is machined to be fluted, which is sort of like very beautiful high polish. And you can see it sort of captures light in different areas of that dial. Now this works very nicely with the other dial colors as well, mainly because the other dial colors, such as the blue or silver, are sort of a sunburst style, and it kind of reflects light very nicely with this. But even just a simple white dial really helps to keep a nice profile overall, even not making it over luminous. Not as overpowering with the shine, because then we move on to the case. We have this high polish on the lugs of the case that border around that 18 karat white gold fluted bezel, and we have the high polish down to the bottom of the lugs as well. So the white really helps balance it out, doesn't make it too reflective of the face. In fact, works quite nicely. So moving on to the case now. The case is a 904 steel case, which is an in-house made steel by Rolex. It has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it. But the case size, as the name states, Datejust 31, is a 31 millimeter size case. So from an index finger to my thumb here, that's 31 millimeters in diameter. The side profile of the watch, not too high of a profile. Should fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. Very beautiful high polish traveling around down to the bracelet as well. You can see the nice pattern high polish on the sides, even from here as well. On the other side of the case, we see the Rolex crown logo with the crown itself on the right side of the case. As we move on to the crown now, the crown is a screw down twin lock double waterproofness system. It has a total water resistance while the crown is nice and tight in against the case. It's going to be 100 meters or 330 feet. Unscrewing the crown will let you access its functions, so we're going to go ahead and unwind that crown counterclockwise here. In the standard position is where you can wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Simply tugging out the crown to the next position will allow you to adjust the date very instantaneously, very easily, just by going counterclockwise. As you can see, I can just going through it very quickly here. Pulling the crown out to the next position will stop that second hand in its position just to allow for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online can set down to exact seconds, while also being able to adjust the hands bidirectionally as shown. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more, as you see. And always make sure screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want this watch to keep its water resistance. Once again, that's 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, the Jubilee bracelet, one of Rolex's most beautiful bracelets. It's a 5-piece links bracelet with a nice high polish down the center of the 5-piece links, and that's contrasted by the larger of the 5-piece links being a nice satin finish, really bordering and encasing that high polish into the bracelet. As you can see, we go throughout the whole Jubilee patterning, nearly unbroken, only interrupted by where the clasp is, which is located by the Rolex crown logo. But once again, I'm just going to go through this pattern one more time. You can see the nice tapering from the start of the case down to the bracelet to keep a nice proportional view from the case. As you can see, so very beautiful patterning. So to the clasp is a concealed folding crown clasp. You simply open it up from the crown logo there, and it opens up to reveal these nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. See the Rolex name there on that clasp blade, nicely high polished, very beautiful. So that's how the watch looks fully opened up and then closed. There we are. Alright, so moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in the Simple Oyster case backing. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's Rolex's in-house made 2235 movement. Has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, and has the functions of the center, hour, minute, and seconds hand, and instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting and stopping of the seconds hand that I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch, you're looking at a 48-hour power reserve. So we're looking at if you put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. Okay. I do have a average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can still see it's a little bit extra room there, so it would fit a 7.5, which is one of Rolex's standard bracelet sizes. See, a white dial just absolutely really helping keep that shine from the fluted bezel, the high polished lugs in place. But overall, when you turn down to the bracelet, you can see very beautiful high polish, not overpowering because of that contrast satin finish from the outer of the 5-piece links. You can see the pattern looks very beautiful overall. The nice tapering from the bracelet downwards just helps keep the watch in a good proportional view. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty, and if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.